Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. A little past lunchtime, it's about 3 o'clock, so I'm going to have a late lunch. I'm going to head over right now to the Garden Cafe, which is the buffet here on the Norwegian Getaway. Had a very busy day today, doing videos and stuff around the ship, and going to have a busy night too. I got 2 nights left here on the Norwegian Getaway, and I'm going to make the most of them as far as videos are concerned. So I'm probably going to have a late dinner at the buffet as well. So let's head over to the Garden Cafe and see what they're doing for lunch, shall we? Looking forward to going inside. It's really hot and humid, and of course I left one of my many bandanas upstairs in the cabin, so I'm sweating like a pig. But it's nice and cool in this Garden Cafe. Looks like they're starting off with different types of salads. We have greens and some fruit salad and vegetable salad and just things like that. And over here we have tuna panini, some mini sloppy joes, waffles and chicken, mushroom quesadillas, and vegetable pretzel pizza. Next up is some jalapeno poppers with cilantro lime dip, fried chicken wings with buffalo sauce and chorizo sausage, jerk chicken drummies, cauliflower and broccoli gratin, and mashed potatoes. These weren't signed. I have no idea what they are. I've never seen them before. Here we have a whole bunch of condiments. We have some papadam, I have never heard of that before, some potato and cauliflower, some yellow dal, and vegetable pulao. I have a feeling this is all Indian influenced food. And well, I certainly know bread and rolls when I see them. And here we have some pizza and some unexpected art. I didn't expect that, but I appreciate it. And pork noodle soup. Now that looks really good, but again, it is really hot out. Here we have some chili, some fried onions, some chicken breast, grilled hot dogs, cheeseburgers, and hamburgers. And some toppings for the aforementioned. There are those things again. I wish I knew what they were. Next, it looks like we have a Asian section. We have a grilled fish with lemon and shrimp curry, sweet and sour shrimp, and some Thai-style cucumber and mushrooms, and of course fried rice. Looks like no lo mein for me today. For dessert, we have some things that wiggle, a few things that don't wiggle. Looks like some cake and some cupcakes, and some fresh fruit. We have some rhubarb and strawberry cobbler and some caramel sauce. That really looks like chocolate sauce, but the sign says caramel. Some ice creams and sherbets. I can't remember the last time I had sherbet. That sounds good. And here we have the drink station, all kinds of cold drinks and sodas and juices and coffees and teas and things like that. And here we have stuff to make a nice deli sandwich. And again, this is all included. You can come here as many times as you want during the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, late night snack, whatever. Come as many times as you want, eat whatever you want. Some people even bring a little snack back to their room. Some more tropical fruit salad, and we have some cream and jelly or jam for your tropical fruit salad, if you will. Looks like we have some biscuits, some quiche, and I'm not sure what that is. Let me see. It says spinach and artichoke with brie cheese. That sounds really good too. Did you know sweet dreams are made of cheese? I mean, who am I to diss a brie? cakes and cookies. There's lots of cakes and cookies and little sandwiches up in the studio lounge where my studio cabin is as well. I just wanted to stop the video for a moment. This is one of several frozen custard machines at the Garden Cafe, and usually there's always a line here. There's no line here right now. I'm very surprised. People come just off the ship and they grab a cone and fill it with frozen custard and then leave. They don't come here for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They just want the frozen custard. And again, that's perfectly fine. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Is it wrong just to take the shrimp from the sweet and sour shrimp and leave the vegetables behind? Do you think the ship security is watching me on camera right now? Do you think they'll be knocking on my cabin door later? What would you do? Now, you've heard of fusion cooking. Well, I invented fusion eating. I think the entire League of Nations is on my plate right now. Wait a minute, I don't think Italy's on my plate yet. Over the past year, I've become a very efficient buffet eater. I don't get up and down like everyone else. I fix 1 or 2 plates and that's it. So I got a veggie pizza slice, some vegetable fried rice, a mushroom quesadilla with a little salsa and sour cream on the side, and a hot dog with sauteed onions. It all looks good. Well, you can't beat the view, can you? Hot dog's really good. The onions really make it. And this one was separated. It was on like a saute pan. A little more well done. That's the way I like it. Every once in a while at night I come here for a late night snack to the buffet. It's open pretty late. Very limited menu, but it's open pretty late, and when you're hungry it satisfies. So I usually get the pizza then, and like I got the pizza now. It's horrible, but I get it anyway. I forgot I got a little shrimp stir fry too. It was buried underneath the pizza. Watch that red pepper. It's testing me and it's quite elusive, but eventually I'm gonna show it who's boss. stir fry was sweet. I didn't expect that. Fried rice is pretty good too. They had a whole bunch of sides that you can put on, like soy sauce or teriyaki sauce, but I left mine plain and it's still pretty flavorful.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Hey, if you visit often and you'd like to support the New York channel, then just hit that thanks button right below this video, or if you're looking for some merch, you can find that in the New York store. That's how we say it around here, New York store. There's a link for the store right below the description. The quesadilla is not so flavorful. It's sauteed mushrooms and some kind of cheese. I think it's Monterey Jack cheese. The salsa is very watery, run down, doesn't have much flavor to it, so it's okay. So I'm gonna head down to my cabin now on deck 10, my solo cabin, and I'm gonna take a little nap. Why? Because it's my vacation and I can. Well, I took my little siesta. It was about an hour-long nap, and I woke up and I said I'm in the mood for some cappuccino espresso, this little concoction that I make on this machine that I finally learned how to use. And I'll grab a piece of pound cake or a cookie or something. The studio lounge right here is just steps away from my studio cabin, so it's very convenient. It's always fully stocked with juice, water, coffee, tea, little munchies like pound cake and cookies and little finger sandwiches. And there's actually a bar here. There's a bartender 5 to 7, I believe, and also wine on tap you can get anytime. So I'm gonna head back to my room, do a little work on the computer, and then head out tonight for some more fun and frivolity. So stay tuned to the New York channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing and the thumbs up. I really appreciate all you do.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.